Hello, we are Rie and Hiromi, cousins from Japan. Today, we will show you how to make an easy origami snail. Katatsumuri, we say in Japanese. First, place a piece of origami with white side face up. Fold in half to make a triangle. This time, bringing the right corner to the left. Unfold. Bring the right corner to the center to make a smaller triangle. Do the same from the left corner. Fold in half horizontally from the top. Bring the right half over, open the pocket wide and flatten. Turn it over. Bring the flap over and open the pocket wide and flatten to match. Change the folding face by 180 degrees. Fold the right part along the vertical center line and do the same for the left part. Turn it over. Fold the same ways to match the other side. Change the folding face back by 180 degrees. Fold up from the right and the left flaps and make sure that you have clear lines. Unfold, open up the right side and fold up and flatten using the line you just made. Do the same for the left side. Fold a bit on the left part using a pair of scissors and cut the tip. Once done, Fold on the opposing sides to make eyes. Open up the middle so that it can stand on its own. Thank you for watching. Happy folding! 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございました。Please subscribe our channel if you like what you just watched or would like to support us. Please feel free to leave a comment or two. If you have any questions, ask us. We'll try to answer them for you. Any feedback is appreciated. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The latest info will be posted there. Happy folding, everyone!